Hey folks, SSJPACMAN here, bringing you another computer hardware unboxing. Today I've got the Toshiba 3.5-inch internal hard drive here. This is a 3 terabyte hard drive, 7,200 RPMs, 64 gig buffer. This is made for desktop use. It's not really like it's not a high performance drive, even though it says high performance here. Right on the back of it, it doesn't say it's for gaming or NAS use, it's just for everyday computing. I guess some of the differences are that the frame buffer size, or the buffer size, would be 128 gigs. This is mostly just as a main backup for me. I bought it mostly to test SenseMI out on the new AM4 Ryzen 2000 series, which is supposed to be able to link your SSDs, your hard drives, and your RAM all together as one big hard drive, and it'll move things around as you use them within the different buffer space. So that's what I picked this up for, and I'll let y'all know how that goes. But a couple things about this: it just says intelligent SATA interface, perpendicular magnetic recorder, PMR technology, tunnel magneto resistive TMR recording head technology, and native command query. So those are some things that maybe mean something to somebody, but they don't mean a whole lot to me. I think that's just some standards in the world of HDDs. Works with most PCs. Read-write buffer increases overall performance. Internal shock sensor and ramp loading technology to help protect your drive and data. So those are some things about it. 1 gigabyte means, oh geez. 2-year standard limited warranty. It tells you what a gigabyte is and a terabyte is. And that is about it as far as the box goes. But so let's take a look at what's inside. It's been a really long time since I bought a hard drive. I bought nothing but SSDs, but this was on sale for like $60 for 3 terabytes. So nothing else in the box, just 2 pieces of foam, and a static bag, and ta-da, the hard drive. Now, I will say this is heavier than any other hard drive I've ever had, and I think that's probably because it's got multiple platters in it. I've also never seen a hard drive with this kind of funny looking bumps on the side. So whatever. Other than that, everything else looks very clean on it. Just where those 2 sides are seamed up, that weld on them is just horrendous. But everything else looks nice. The matte black on them, it seems like it's even better than it's ever been. Not much to say about a hard drive. Five volts, 430 milliamps, 12 volts, 740 milliamps. That is in DC. Warranty if screw is removed or broken, or the label. Now, I've heard that that's actually not true, that they can't do this. This is just a load of hooey to try to get you not to warranty it. You can remove any sticker you want to. I'm not saying to do it. It might give you a hard time, but that's what I understand. Toshiba Electronics, Europe, Düsseldorf, Germany. You telling me this isn't made in China? I don't believe it. No, this is made in China right there. Why are they talking about Düsseldorf, Germany? It does say November 2017 it was made in China. Huh. I guess one of these little certifications here comes from Düsseldorf. But yeah, so they are made in China. That's what I figured. The SKU numbers may mean something to somebody, but yeah, it's a SATA hard drive. They still come with jumpers for the back, and I don't know what you would use jumpers for in the back of a hard drive. Back in the day when they were IDE, you would have master slaves and you'd have to switch your jumpers on them. stuff like that, but I don't know why you have it nowadays. But yeah, definitely a good looking drive. I'll let y'all know if anything special happens with it or anything, keep you up to date. If you like the video, like it. Subscribe if you want to see more like this. I'm going to be doing a build vlog tomorrow, the 2nd of May. And we'll be building the new 2700X build. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.